Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Again, I appreciate all the support on the channel. It's good to be back making videos. And today I thought I'd do another dividend capture swing trade type of strategy. 3 stocks that have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week. All stocks that you can jump into, buy the stock, wait for the ex-dividend date, and then sell thereafter, after the ex-dividend date, to pick up the dividend and maybe even hold for the longer term for more traditional buy and hold type of strategy. Unfortunately, there were not a lot of good stocks, blue chip, high dividend yielding stocks this next week. So I selected 3 stocks I think each has a unique characteristic with the stock or a unique way of trading the stock. Again, I don't think these are great stocks for buy and hold strategies, but there may be different plays with the different stocks I'll present today, as we'll kind of talk about in the video here. The first stock, as you can see up on screen, HOG, I think may represent a contrarian investment play. SELF, this is a real estate investment trust. You can see the very low stock price here, $4.19. Very accessible to maybe new investors on the channel, new investors in the stock market who don't have a lot of capital to use to jump into a stock. And then a large dividend with SWZ here. It has a dividend representing about 75% of the overall stock price, so a very large special dividend here. So a special dividend play with real estate investment trust with a very good dividend. And then HOG here, this is probably the stock I would jump into out of the 3. This is Harley Davidson, as you can see up on top of the screen. If we take a look at the information on the stock on the bottom here, you can see this is a company that manufactures motorcycles. Very well-known company within the United States. It has been in the news recently because of tariffs. They do a lot of their manufacturing overseas for cost considerations, but the current administration will impose tariffs on anything that is imported from other places into the United States, Europe, or Southeast Asia. So there could be a little bit of difficulty with Harley Davidson here, as they are not able to ramp up their manufacturing in the United States, again, because of cost considerations. Take a look at the 1-month graph here. You can definitely see some movement up, 7.58% in the green. But take a look at a little bit longer perspective, however, it is down quite a bit here, 3.66% over the past 1 year of trading and 19.43% over the last 5 years of trading. So again, this may represent a contrarian investment, essentially jumping into an industry or individual stock like HOG here that may be depressed under its current market value. A little bit unclear what the tariffs will do to Harley Davidson. I think it will definitely survive the tariffs, but that could be a consideration with the long-term price of the stock. So the important dates for the dividend capture: this stock, HOG, will have an ex-dividend date on the 17th of September. So again, ex-dividend dates, you have to buy before the ex-dividend date, and then you can sell on the ex-dividend date or thereafter to pick up the dividend. You qualify for that dividend payment. The payment will be on the 28th of September, 37 cents per share for a dividend yield just at 3.35%. So again, this is probably the best stock out of the 3. The second one here, SELF. This is a real estate investment trust. If you go to the bottom here, you can see it's commercial real estate, essentially ownership, operation, management of self-storage facilities. Take a look up on the top here. You can see a very low price and a relatively new stock as well. Over the last 5 years of trading, you can see here, started trading back in 2016 here. And a little bit of up and down pattern there over the last 1 month of trading. It is up 3.2%. For the past 1 year of trading, it is down quite a bit though, 8.82%. Again, this is a lower price real estate investment trust. And just to highlight here in the middle, great dividend yield, 5.64%. A very small market cap, however, 32.31 million. So this is sort of a niche stock. But again, just wanted to represent a stock, a penny stock type of investing strategy that can also be utilized as a dividend capture swing trade as well. Important dates for this particular stock, much like HOG, ex-dividend date is on the 17th of September. The payment date is the 28th of September as well. 7 cents per share for dividend yield of 6.2% for the next dividend here. So this would also be a stock to take into consideration. But again, I don't think this is a great stock to hold longer term at all. The last stock here, a very unique stock with a special dividend of $4.91, with the stock price only being $13.24. Is a fund. If we go to the bottom here, there's not much information on this fund. I believe this is a business development company, a closed-end fund, that type of stock. You can see also it has a very low market cap, 331 million. The dividend yield 2.5%. But again, the big thing will be on this next dividend payment. The dividend will be $4.91, so a very large proportion of the stock price currently. You can see it has been trending up a bit here over the past 1 week, 5.16%, 1 month, 3.44%, then the 3-month graph, 9.63%, 1 year, kind of an up and down pattern, 6.28, and 5 years, 45.32%. So the important dates on this particular stock, again, to jump into the stock for the special dividend, the ex-dividend date will be on the 17th of September. Payment date will be on the 19th of October. Again, $4.91 per share for a dividend percentage, which was calculated at 74.2%. So very interesting special dividend. Not quite sure that was calculated correctly with the 74.2%, but nevertheless, a very large dividend with the price of the stock being $13.24. So 3 different stocks here, 3 different characteristics or strategies to play the dividend capture. Very large special dividend with SWZ, Real Estate Investment Trust with a very good dividend yield, SELF, and then HOG, more blue chip type of stock. Again, the dividend yield is only 2.87%, but a very good stock that could be a contrarian investment moving forward. So those are the 3 stocks I'll be taking a look at this week. Again, not a lot of great stocks to take a look at for dividend capture. HOG is probably my favorite, but there is something to be said for SELF here, a little bit higher risk, as well as SWZ here. Special dividend around 75% or so of the price of the stock. So let me know what you guys think about those stocks. If there's anything better out there, please let me know. These were the ones I came across, just kind of taking a look at dividend dates for this next week or so. So again, let me know if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoy the video series. Again, if you guys have any ideas for videos, please let me know. Always looking for new topics to read up on and research. So cut off that out in the video, and we'll see you guys next time.